Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook baked potatoes. So this is going to be the most delicious creamy cheese baked potatoes. So I'll start off by slicing my potatoes. Just make sure you wash them before you do so. Just check on my description. I'm going to put all the ingredients you need. Then next I'll slice my onion. So once I'm done, I'm just going to arrange my potatoes in the baking dish. So what I do, I just put a slice of a potato, onion, slice of a potato, onion, as you can see. So I'm arranging my potatoes like this so that when I put my sauce in, I just make sure the sauce go all over my potatoes. Then when you are done, they should look like this. So I'm just gonna start on my sauce. So I'll start by melting my butter. Then add flour. Then you mix it together. Then milk. And stir it until it comes up to simmer and thickens. Then if you feel like it's too thick, you can add a bit of more milk. So here I'm just putting my seasoning. I've put all this in my description. So next I'm going to add double cream. So this is optional, adding cheese. Just make sure it's well combined. Then next, just pour your sauce over your potatoes, making sure you get the sauce all the way down and between your potatoes. So bake this in the oven for an hour or until the potatoes are cooked. So I cover mine with foil. Then I'll bake for the first 30 minutes. Then I'm just going to remove foil and sprinkle paprika over and put it back in the oven and bake until your potatoes are cooked. So here is our baked potatoes, as you can see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, bye for now.